as a student or a stay-at-home mom, or even if you have your own job you're doing, there is something you can do offline as a side hustle. And that's what I want to tell you in this video, because there are some persons that they have an online job already, but they need other side hustles. Yes, you can do this, or even if you don't even have anything you're doing online, you can do this offline side hustle. 5 unique ones I will be revealing to you in the course of this video. So stick around, do not skip any part of this video because all parts are very vital. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Jafego Okoreko, popularly known as First Key. In this channel, I share valuable content about mini importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this resonates with you, do not hesitate to join this wonderful family by smashing the red subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell icon so you get notified each time I drop new videos. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I love you. That's why I go these extra miles to create beautiful content just for you. Now, what are these offline side hustles you can do? Meanwhile, in the course of this video, as I will be revealing these offline side hustles to you, if there is any you have done, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Let's know your experience about it, or perhaps there are others you think people can do. Please leave a comment in the comment section, and if you're enjoying it, if you're getting value, do not hesitate to click on the like button and share. All right, offline side hustle number 1 you can do is delivery service. There are a lot of persons that has big shop, and since they are very busy attending to customers, even both online and offline too, they won't really have the time to deliver these items that their customers have bought. So that's where you come in as a delivery service. You tell them that you can deliver items to their customers for a specific price. You get paid. Okay, so you help them deliver these items within the location or perhaps outside the location. You can help them do way bill too. Okay, so you get paid for your delivery service. Then offline side hustle number 2 is cleaning service. You can do this yourself, or perhaps you hire somebody to do it okay, and then you pay them. For example, you can go source for jobs of people who need cleaning. It could be their apartment, it could be after party events. You just clean the area where they held the party, where the party was held. All right, and then you get paid. When you hire people to do that cleaning, first you get the job, you tell them how much you will take for it, and then you hire people to help you do the cleaning and you pay them. Or perhaps you can do it yourself. When you clean, you get paid. Okay, then side hustle offline number 3 you can do. Before I move over, do not hesitate to click on the like button. All right, thanks for doing that. So number 3 is personal shopper. You can do personal shopping for some people. Okay, there are some persons that are so aged and maybe their children are not living close to them and they will need your assistance. That's why you come in as a personal shopper.